Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover photo to embroidery, digitize your memories today. Preserving memories through embroidery is a unique and heartfelt way to celebrate cherished moments. By transforming photos into embroidery designs, you can create timeless pieces of art that capture the essence of your favorite memories. Here's how to digitize your memories and turn them into stunning embroidery projects. Why digitize your photos for embroidery? Digitizing photos for embroidery offers several benefits. Personalized keepsakes transform meaningful images into one-of-a-kind mementos. Artistic expression. Add a creative twist to your photos with textured, colorful stitching. Durable art. Embroidered pieces stand the test of time, making them perfect for preserving memories. Step-by-step guide to photo to embroidery digitization. Number 1, choose the perfect photo. Not every photo translates well into embroidery. Selecting the right image is crucial. Tips: opt for high-resolution images with clear details. Avoid busy backgrounds or images with too many small elements. Portraits with strong contrasts work particularly well. Number 2, edit and prepare your image. Before digitizing, your photo needs to be simplified for better stitching results. Tips: use photo editing software to adjust brightness and contrast. Crop unnecessary elements to focus on the main subject. Convert the photo to grayscale or a simplified color palette. Number 3, use professional digitizing software. Embroidery. Digitizing software is essential for converting photos into stitchable designs. Recommended software: Hatch Embroidery, great for beginners and advanced users. Bookum, a professional-grade tool for intricate designs. Embrilliance offers user-friendly features and compatibility with most machines. Tips: break the image into sections and assign appropriate stitch types. For example, satin for outlines, fill for larger areas. Adjust stitch density to match the fabric and thread. Test your design on screen to check for potential issues. Number 4, select fabric and thread colors. Choosing the right fabric and thread is key to achieving a polished result. Tips: use neutral fabrics like cotton or linen to let the embroidery stand out. Match thread colors to the tones in the photo for realism. Consider using specialty threads such as metallic or variegated for added texture. Number 5, test your design. Before embroidering the final piece, always test your design on a scrap fabric. Tips: check for alignment and ensure the stitches hold well on the fabric. Make adjustments to thread tension or stitch density if needed. Confirm that the colors and design details meet your expectations. Number 6, embroider your photo. Once the design is perfected, it's time to embroider your photo. Tips: monitor the embroidery process to ensure smooth operation. Pause the machine to trim threads or correct any misalignments. Handle the fabric carefully to avoid puckering or stretching. Creative ideas for embroidered photos. Framed art. Display your embroidered memories in stylish frames. Pillows. Add a personal touch to your living room decor. Quilts. Combine multiple embroidered photos into a memory quilt. Gifts. Create custom gifts for family and friends to celebrate special occasions. Conclusion: transforming photos into embroidery is a beautiful way to preserve and celebrate memories. With the right tools and techniques, you can create stunning pieces that are both personal and artistic. Start digitizing your memories today and craft keepsakes that will be treasured for generations.